This crispy fried chicken goes through one insane industrial process before reaching your table. Hidden seasoning stage completely transforms the flavor forever.
Every piece of fried chicken begins long before the factory process even starts. Large-scale poultry farms carefully raise chickens in controlled environments before transportation begins. Automated systems provide continuous feeding to maintain healthy growth. Temperature and airflow are controlled constantly throughout the farms.
Once ready, the chickens begin their journey toward the processing factory.
Special refrigerated trucks maintain freshness during transportation.
Every day, thousands of chickens are transported to the giant processing facility.
This massive factory handles one of the world's most advanced fried chicken production systems.
Fresh chicken enters the factory through automated unloading systems.
Every chicken piece is inspected carefully before processing continues.
Industrial cleaning systems wash the chicken thoroughly to maintain hygiene standards.
Advanced scanning systems inspect every piece for quality and consistency.
Even tiny imperfections are removed automatically before production continues.
Now the factory prepares the chicken for one of the most important transformation stages.
Special cutting machines create perfectly sized chicken portions with incredible speed.
Precision cutting ensures every piece cooks evenly during frying.
At this stage, the chicken finally begins moving toward the flavor transformation process.
Inside these giant drums, the chicken absorbs the flavors that make fried chicken famous.
Massive amounts of spices and seasoning blends are added during marination.
The rotating drums distribute seasoning evenly across every piece of chicken.
But the most satisfying transformation is still about to begin.
Now the chicken enters the stage that creates its legendary crispy crust.
This coating stage is what creates the famous crispy fried chicken crust. Every chicken piece must be coated evenly before entering the fryers. Special seasoning flour sticks perfectly to the marinated chicken surface. Industrial coating drums distribute the crispy flour layer across every piece. Workers carefully inspect the coating quality before frying begins.
The thick flour texture helps create the famous crunchy crust during frying.
Every movement inside the coating process is designed for maximum crispiness.
Now the coated chicken approaches the most intense transformation stage of all.
These giant fryers use advanced pressure frying technology to cook the chicken perfectly.
The moment the chicken enters the oil, the crispy crust instantly begins forming.
Pressure frying locks moisture inside, while creating a crunchy golden exterior.
Thousands of chicken pieces fry continuously inside these massive industrial systems.
This is the stage where the chicken transforms completely into crispy fried chicken.
Inside the factory, the fryers operate non-stop every single hour.
The final crispy crust is what gives fried chicken its iconic texture.
This giant frying section is the heart of the entire factory.
After frying, the chicken finally begins looking like the famous product people recognize worldwide.
Special draining systems remove excess oil while preserving the crispy coating. But the factory process still isn't finished yet. After frying, the chicken enters another critical stage before packaging begins.
Draining systems remove extra oil while keeping the crispy coating intact. The crispy crust continues developing even after the frying process ends.
Hot steam escapes from the chicken as the crispy surface cools slowly.
Cooling systems stabilize the crispy coating before inspection begins. This crunchy texture is one of the most important parts of the final product.
Thousands of chicken pieces continue moving through the production systems every minute.
This enormous factory operates non-stop to maintain continuous production. Automated conveyor systems transport the chicken carefully between every production stage. Now the factory begins inspecting every fried chicken piece carefully.
Advanced scanners check the color, coating, and crispiness of every piece.
Any piece that does not meet quality standards is removed automatically.
Workers also inspect the chicken manually to maintain consistency.
After inspection, the fried chicken finally moves toward the final packaging stages.
Automated systems organize the fried chicken before packaging begins.
Robotic packaging systems place every piece with incredible precision.
The packaging systems seal the product carefully before shipment begins.
Thousands of fried chicken containers are packaged every single hour inside the factory. Thousands of fried chicken packages continue moving non-stop through the final production halls.
Advanced robotic systems organize every package with incredible speed and precision.
Every package receives tracking labels before shipment begins.
Millions of packaged fried chicken products move through this warehouse every week. Even after packaging, the crispy texture remains one of the product's most important features.
Temperature-controlled storage systems maintain freshness before shipment. Massive logistic systems coordinate every shipment leaving the factory.
Robotic systems load shipments rapidly for worldwide transportation. Every truck leaving the factory carries thousands of crispy fried chicken meals. From this giant factory, the fried chicken travels to restaurants across entire countries.
Inside every crispy piece is a carefully controlled industrial process.
From raw chicken to crispy fried perfection, every stage transformed the product completely.
Inside this giant factory, production continues non-stop every single day. The crispy coating remains the most satisfying part of the entire process. After one massive industrial journey, the fried chicken is finally ready to be served.
But most people never realize the incredible process hidden behind every crispy bite. And the factory process still isn't completely over yet. Even after producing millions of crispy fried chicken pieces, this factory never truly stops. Thousands of chicken pieces continue moving through the production systems every single minute.
The crispy coating is what makes this fried chicken instantly recognizable worldwide.
Inside this giant factory, every machine works together with incredible precision.
Even during the final stages, quality inspection never stops. Behind every crispy bite is one massive industrial transformation process. From fresh chicken to crispy fried perfection, every stage changed the product completely. After one incredible industrial journey, the fried chicken is finally ready to be served. What looks simple on the outside is powered by one of the most advanced food production systems ever created. Every crunchy layer was created through heat, pressure, seasoning, and precision engineering. From this single factory, crispy fried chicken travels to restaurants around the world. Most people only see the final product, but behind it is an incredible industrial journey. From farms to factories to restaurants, this is how crispy fried chicken is made on a massive industrial scale. After one massive industrial process, the fried chicken finally reaches people everywhere. And for many people, this crunchy sound is the most satisfying part of all. Inside the factory, production never truly stops. What seems like a simple meal is actually powered by one of the world's most advanced food production systems. Inside one massive modern factory, fresh chicken transforms into millions of perfectly crispy fried